airports. Si Villar is spectacular. You just wait. Ayaw ko but things will improve. Maybe, God willing, December, smooth sailing na. You don't have to worry about traffic. Cubao and Makati is just about 5 minutes. Kasi sa itaas na lang Ginawa namin sa itaas, kaya dito wala na talaga Mabutit na lang, nagpunta ako ng China. China nagtulong. Tianqiku Dam. It's in a question mark because of bureaucratic red tape. Kaya I intend to stay there for the whole of the week just to think of ways how to. But I would be more than, not really despotic, but I will try to talagang, kung ayaw ninyo, dadalhin ko sa inyo I'll force it upon you. Gano'n. Nabasa ko kanina sa newspaper that they are